Hi guys, welcome back to the home bartending by Patch Marvin. Do you know that Rob Roy and Manhattan cocktail, they both are sibling? Why I say that? Because of both of them, they born here in New York City in Manhattan, and just only the ingredient actually it's similar. Only one thing that is different is the Rob Roy they use Scotch Whisky, but Manhattan they use rye whiskey, bourbon, or the Canadian whiskey. The rest is all the same. Okay. Today we gonna make Rob Roy cocktail. And as I mentioned, Rob Roy, we use the Scotch Whisky. So today I will use the John Bar. John Bar is the branded Scotch Whisky. The taste of this is quite fruity, candy, and it's quite smooth. So it's easy to drink. You can do on the rock. You can like just drink it neat, and it's quite tasty when you use it to mix in any cocktail. Okay, so apart from the Scotch, we need sweet vermouth, and then the angostura bitter, and Garnish. We use the brandy sherry. Okay, that's it. And yes, it is one more thing. It's stir, so we need the glass for stir it and the ice. Yeah. Okay, ready? Let's do it. If you know how to make Rob Roy, you will know how to make Manhattan. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna use the receipt 212. 212 is the New York City telephone number code. Glass. Yes. Oh, one of the ice get in there. It's okay. And then you garnish it with the brandy sherry. Okay. Let's try. Let's see. Cheers. Oh my god, it tastes so good again. I love my cocktail. Cheers. Thank you for watching, and I see you in another clips that I made. Yeah, check it out. We also can be friends, follow each other on the Instagram. I will put the detail on top here, and I will keep make more video to let you guys see how to make cocktail at home. Okay, so from now take care, and I see you around. Bye. Cheers. It's good, tasty.